Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. So first of all, open up the Facebook application and then go to menu. After that, tap at this gear icon to open up settings and then go to your account center. And then tap on this personal details and then account ownership and control. That's where you can easily find the activation or deletion. You can tap on it and then just select your Facebook or Instagram account just like that. After that, you need to decide whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. Account deactivation option is selected by default. All you have to do is just tap on continue and then it says that deactivated your account will also deactivate your other additional Facebook profiles as well as pages where you are the only admin or person with full control. Down below we can check the list of the pages and then just tap on this continue. On the next step, it will ask you to enter your current Facebook password and then you have to choose some reason from the list why you want to deactivate your account. You can just select any option and then tap on this continue and then tap on continue again. Now scroll down to the very bottom and tap on this deactivate my account. While your account is deactivated, it will not be visible on Facebook as if it were deleted. But at any time you can reactivate your account simply by logging in and entering your username and password. That's how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.